In today's AI world, everyone creating the AI agent and automating their work. For creating AI agent, two sites are very popular. First is n8n, second is Make. n8n is trending nowadays, so we will use n8n to create our AI agent for reading the mails. Before starting this video, if you need a full course AI agent video, then comment down AI agent. So let's start the video. So first open this website n8n.io, then click on this get started for free. Then you will get this interface to add your personal detail here. Once you sign up, you will get this interface. For creating the AI agent, click on this Start Automating. Then you will get this interface. For creating AI agent, now we will first need to create a workflow for the AI agent. So I will click on the Create Workflow. Add first step. In first step, we need to add a trigger. So we can add the manual trigger, Telegram or the WhatsApp, anything we can add. I will use the Telegram on message. The trigger is required to pass the inputs to the AI agent. We will follow this documentation to connect the Telegram with the AI agent. Then click here, scroll down. We need a bot for the chatbot to create our new chatbot that communicate with the AI agent. So first we need a bot for the chatbot. I will click on this, then open in the web. Already sign in the Telegram. Start. Next step is create a new chatbot. Copy this command and paste here. Give the name to your chatbot. Like I will give the Google AI agent. We need to add the bot at the end of our chatbot name. So I will type again. It created the chatbot for us. So I will click on this, then click on the start. So our chatbot is ready. I will copy this access token because we need in the workflow. Click on the create new credential, access token. Test the connection. The connection is tested successfully. Now we will test this trigger. So it is waiting for the event. Go to the Telegram, then type here hello world. We will get the output here in the workflow like hello world. So we created the trigger and successfully tested. Now we will add our AI agent, that is main part of our workflow. Here we will select the define below. For user message, we will use the Telegram trigger output, that is hello world result. If you need a specific output, then you can enable this option. For the AI agent, there are three parts, that is a chat model, memory and tool. So first is chat model, that is compulsory we need to add. So I will use the free AI chat model, that is Google's Gemini model. Here we need to add a credential, API key we need. So I will open the Google AI Studio. Now select the model like Gemini 2.5 Pro model. From here we will get the API key. I will copy this API key from here. Now don't share this API key with anyone. I will also delete the API key before uploading this video. I paste the API key here, save and test the connection. Connection is tested successfully. Here we need to select the model, that is Gemini 2.5 Pro model. Gemini 2.5 Pro preview model. We can cross check from here. Gemini 2.5 Pro preview model. We'll go back. And now we will test this AI agent. I will click on the test step. When first time it is working, when first time AI agent is working, it will take some time. Later it will work fast. If it is showing the green tick, means it is successfully completed. So AI agent throw the error because of our chat model. We will open the chat model and we'll check the error. We will ask AI assistant to analyze the error and give the solution. AI assistant analyze the error and it is saying we are using the 2.5 Pro model. This is not a free model, it is a paid model. Okay, so we need a free model. So I will use another model from the Google AI Studio. I will use the Gemini 2.0 in Flash model. I will get the API key from here. I will copy the API key, go to the workflow, add the API key here in the new credential, API key, save, test the connection. The connection is tested successfully. We will change the model to the 2.0 Flash. So now our model is Gemini 2.0 Flash. Okay, we will again test the AI agent by clicking on the test step. And now we are getting the output. Hello there, how I can help you today? So we are successfully tested our AI agent. Now we need a output of AI agent in the Telegram. So we will add the Telegram here. Telegram and send a test message. Now here we will use the same credential that is used in the trigger. I will in resource message, operation send message. In the chat, we will use the Telegram trigger chat ID. In the text, we will use the output of the AI agent. and we'll test this step, and we are getting the output like, hello there, how I can help you today. We can cross check from the Telegram. In Telegram also we are getting the output, hello there, how I can help you today. So we tested these steps successfully. All the steps are tested successfully. We will try one more example. First we will delete the data from the test workflow. Then we will click on the test workflow. It is waiting for the trigger. We will pass the trigger like, what is 2 plus 2? So it will give the output 2 plus 2 is 4. Our AI agent successfully processed the output. Now we will add our main part, that is reading the emails. I will use the Gmail tool. Here we need to add a credential. So sign in with the Google. I will select the Gmail ID, give all the required access, then continue. The connection is successfully tested. In the tool description, leave as it is resource message. In operation, we will add, we will change to the get menu because we need to read all the message. We will set to automatically defined by the model. Here also we will set automatically defined by the model. We'll close this. We'll delete the data from the workflow. We again test the workflow. It is waiting for the trigger. We will add the trigger here. So we'll give the input like, give me the last unread email in the short summary. Our AI agent is successfully worked on the input, and it is giving the like our last unread email is from the Gigs for Gigs, and it is the welcome to Gigs for Gig email. Subject line is, we can cross check from the email ID. Yes, this is our last email, that is welcome to Gigs for Gigs. Our AI agent is successfully working. So we will delete the data from the test workflow and we will activate this AI agent. So whenever we will give the any input to the Telegram, it will automatically process that input and give the output. We don't need to again and again click on the text workflow. We can, let's try this. What is 10 plus 5? And it will give the answer is 15. And it automatically working. In this way, you can also create your own AI agent to reading the mails, sending the mails, or replying the mails, or even you can schedule the meetings, and so many things you can do with the AI agent. If you really love this video, then like the video and subscribe to the channel.